back with another video. I've just made videos on videos this last month. It's been a mad month for me. Hopefully I save some money next month. This one I actually have a quick backstory, and I hope it's the same thing because I haven't seen it in person. So basically I have this Puma tracksuit. It's like a bluish colour, and I don't know why I love this colour. It's just a nice tracksuit, goes well with just some white Air Forces, whatever. That's the full tracksuit, and I've had this for a few years now, and I've seen something in the Nike sale, and I'm hoping it's the same colour or similar colour. Then I'll be very happy. So now you know the backstory. If I seem a bit pissed off, unhappy, then you know that I'm not happy with the colour. But here it is. It's come in the bag, of course. And this side, I'll pull this way. The best bit. Terrible. No. No. No zip pockets. Nah, this ain't it. I wanted it to be closer to the blue, but this ain't it. Nope, this ain't it. It's nice, but it's not it. And I don't think I can wear this. I can't wear this. This has to go back. This actually has to go back. But just for the sake of the video, it's got the little, windbreaker type thing. So it says Nike all across. Nike. Standard fit, as always. And then joggers, I'd assume the same. It's got even this, even the joggers. If I just do a comparison, look how much better that is compared to that. It's got the little side piping. It's actually got it twice. That's actually kind of nice. I like that. Double. Again, standard fit. It doesn't say tapered leg, but I'd imagine it's tapered leg. But yeah, I'm not keeping that. That's terrible. Not the same color. It's more of a greenish type. Not really a fan. I'm not really going to waste anyone else's time. The search continues.